I don't know who needs to hear this today, but you check your sway bar links out like this. The tire's got to be on the ground. Look out for these bastards. Grab a hold of that bar and shake it like you're wringing your favorite politician's neck. Why, you little friggin' drama carbon tax choking mother friggin'. Okay, that's enough. Go sit down. So, after you get this thing jacked up, look, check this thing out. Solid. Oh, this isn't. When she's loosey-goosey, it's time for a new one. You grab all your shit here and you assemble your contraption, and you can tell why we've got a new one there. That fancy Mako one with the friggin' I-beam shit going on there. That's good, but this is one of those things, sometimes they go crooked on you. Extend those snap ring pliers. Make sure that friggin' thing's pointing away from the tire. Give her a few pumps. Make sure you leave a little grease tag on there so the customer knows you did it.